Sales at McDonald's restaurants opened at least a year surprisingly fell in the first quarter, and McDonald's is predicting sales will stay down in April. That key sales measure was weaker in every major region, leading to a smaller than expected rise in profits. RJ Hatavi at Morningstar sees three key takeaways for the industry.
In the U.S., we're seeing no signs of a lot of the industry competition, as well as the aggressive discounting. That's not going away. That's continuing to remain strong. That could pressure top-line results. In Europe, it seems like the situation is getting a little bit more severe. Less consumer spending, and so with companies with exposure to those regions, particularly Germany and some of the southern European regions, you could be looking for disappointing results. And then in China, I think it's, in Asia in general, I think some of the avian flu concerns are really going to have an impact.
If you look at Q1 U.S. same-store sales predictions from Consensus Metrics, Yum Brands, which reports next week, is gaining momentum due in part to new products at Taco Bell. Jack in the Box fares better than McDonald's with its lineup. Only Burger King is expected to see a larger drop with its figures released next week, too. For McDonald's to pull ahead of the pack is going to come down to food innovation. All of its competitors now have low-cost menus. So analysts say McDonald's is going to have to roll out new items faster. Its price points are going to have to yell value, and it's going to have a marketing campaign that brings that message across.
The company's also experimenting more with limited time offer products as well. I think the Fish McBites that we saw in March were one example of that. I think we'll see more limited time offer products on the menu across the globe in the periods to come. But I think this is really a key point for McDonald's this year. To their own admission, 2012 wasn't the greatest year in terms of product pipeline, and I think that's really going to be the key to driving sales this year is improving the strength of the overall pipeline.
Shares dropped below $100 after the results, but that's still not far from the more than $103 lifetime high set this month. Analysts say McDonald's is better positioned for a second-half recovery than its peers, and that could give the stock more room to run.